Good morning, Broughal staff. This is such an exciting week for us because we get to celebrate you. The theme for Teacher Appreciation this week is Hollywood Stars Week. This is the big premiere event for the week. We want to take a moment to thank you for all the work that you do to help our students and our school community. Your passion, your drive to ensure that each and every student is successful is admirable. We appreciate you and we thank you for being the stars that you are.
This has been a difficult year, and it's been a year of many firsts. First time we've done hybrid, first time we've done Zoom sessions, first time we've done staggered schedules, but the one consistent thing in the students' lives has been you. Your dedication, your passion, your instruction, that's always been here, no matter what. So we greatly appreciate everything that you've done, your dedication to the students, your dedication to the schools. We applaud it, we celebrate it, and congratulations.
To my Hollywood stars, all Hollywood stars leave their legacy in film. Your film happens to be live and in front of you every day. Each and every day, students come into these doors of this great institution, and you get to leave your mark. And when they leave you at the end of this school year, or at the end of the 3 years that they're here, they have part of themselves in you, and they go out and they make their movie and their script in the world. Our students are better people because of your inspiration, because of the things that you have done to impact them to be change agents for our future. And we owe all that to you and your hard work and your dedication and love. So I cannot thank you enough, Broughal Middle School teachers. You deserve way more than just 1 week. You deserve the entire year and a night in Hollywood or a week in Hollywood to celebrate your work.
Broughal staff, this concludes our big premiere event for the week because all of the staff at Broughal are
Our Hollywood stars!